Today, we are going to draw Pikachu together. Are you ready? Let's draw a long rainbow for the body. Add 2 little bumps for the feet and finish the body. Now, 2 tall pointy bunny ears on top. And draw a line across the ears and color them black. Add 2 little dot eyes and a happy smiling mouth. Draw 2 circles for the cheeks. Add 2 arms in the body. Last step, let's add a lightning tail on the back and color the very tip black. Good job! Now we are ready to color. Please subscribe for more fun drawings.